So Michael, what do you think? What do you think of this stuff? It smells kind of funny.
It smells like pickles.
Yeah.
It smells like vinegar.
I like pickles.
I saw this product last year, and I have to tell you, I was really impressed with it right away. We know that wood is a great product to work with, right? We use it for our walls, our siding, our decking. It's carbon sink.
And it
it's
rots.
renewable, and it rots. This is a problem. You're in the south.
It rots. It splits. It warps. It expands.
Things
it
eat it.
Yes,
It's
exactly.
a real problem. But what I like about this is that they've taken this wood and they've treated it. They've basically used acetic hydride and turned it into acetic acid inside the product through a really complicated, convoluted process.
Which is vinegar.
Which is vinegar. Basically, they replaced all the stuff in wood that makes it rot and decay and makes bugs like it with something that they don't,
Yeah,
that
and
keeps
they,
it from doing
and they've
that.
filled the cells so water can't get in and out, so it doesn't expand and
So it's
contract.
dimensionally stable.
Yeah.
I mean, wood, we've always said, if it were to be introduced now as a building product, would never pass code because you can't
Right, you
grade
can't,
the
you
stuff,
can't control
right?
it, exactly, yeah.
So I think this is a great solution, and the best part is that even though it's been treated, it still can be recycled, it can be
Right.
mulched.
Yeah, no, I think it's good. It's emerging, it's new in the marketplace. I think it's a good, solid product. I like it. I'm looking forward to seeing more of it out there.
But it is available. What is it? U.S. Forest Products now. I think you can get it through them.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you think in terms of grade on this one?
I give it an A.
I'm going to give this a solid A.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool.
Michael, what's going on? What are you doing?
This is American clay, Carl. Look at this. Look at this.
Do you have some Italian blood in you or something? Is that what's going on here?
It kind of looks good, doesn't it?
I like it. It's very cool looking.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
This
I like
is
it.
this is awesome stuff. This is a wall finish. So
Yeah.
forget paint.
Right.
This is your wall covering.
I like it.
It's made entirely out of product right here from the U.S.
Mm-hmm.
It's all 100% local. And the best part of this is it. You know,
Trowel it on.
You trowel it on. It goes over drywall. I think this is a great wall finish. I actually think that the move away from wallpapers and paints into a natural material like this is really the way to go. I mean, this goes back to an older building style, an older building tradition.
Yeah.
And if you're using any of the newer materials, like we always talk about, Durasol, autoclave
Oh, yeah,
aerated
no,
concrete.
yeah, it's perfect for that.
I mean, this is ideal. And if you've got someone who's got, allergies or they've got toxic sensitivities,
Yeah.
forget all
Yeah.
the issues that come with paints.
Yeah, no VOCs. Yeah.
Put clay on the walls.
Yeah. I like, it's, I think it's got, there are cost issues involved. It's certainly not a low-cost product.
It's not a low-cost, but look, I can do it.
Yeah. Oh, then
I can do it.
Then it's really easy if you can do it.
I mean, look at this.
But it's.
I'd ask you to do it, but you've been out of the field for too long.
I've been out of field for too long. Yeah. No, I'm down with it. I think it's good stuff.
I like simple technology. This is another A product for me. I got to go over there. I don't know about you.
I agree with you. Absolutely.
You want to try it?
No. Thank
Sure?
you.
Come on.
Absolutely.
Come on,
No,
Carl, you can do it.
please,
You can
please,
do it.
please.
Try it,
Put your
try it.
hand.
All right, Carl, this is going to be a tough one. I'm a big fan of BASF.
Yeah, I am too. It's a good company.
They do great
I
work.
bought audio tape from them when I was a teenager. That's how big a fan I am.
So this is their concept car style product that they've come out with. We've spent some time talking to the folks here, and I think we're probably at the same page here. It's interesting, but there's still a long ways to go in terms of understanding how it's going to perform.
It's a drywall that's got this nano product in it that's a
Right.
phase change material that once it hits 73 degrees, it starts absorbing heat.
Right.
So it actually gives you thermal mass of some measure. Which we don't know yet, in a half an inch of drywall.
Well, which is interesting, and what's interesting is this phase change material, this waxy substance that takes on some of the heat, is in an acrylic bead that's embedded in this crystal. And I think we both instantly sort of jumped to the same place and said, okay, well, what do you do when you have to recycle all that drywall? What do you do with all these acrylic beads? And what happens when you breathe them in?
What are the health effects? So
The other one that I'm struggling with is, while we're seeing that they're cutting off the peaks, we don't really have this as a unit of measure. So the actual impact, the impact, the real world usefulness is still relatively unknown.
and they said they're just putting it to test. They've done laboratory tests. They're going to start doing field tests.
Right.
And I don't think we can grade it because it's not really a product yet.
I don't think we can.
I'm real excited to see what happens with it. I would be totally thrilled if it became a very successful product that really proved that it was successful and had no ill health effects.
You know what I would love to see is this on the Faro scale,
Yeah.
because I think that'd be a great way to figure it out.
Let's go ask them to do it.
Let's do it. Carl, lots of companies talk about everything that they're doing to go green, all of their efforts for sustainability. This tile take-back program, I think, is pretty cool. Every time you demo out tile, there's that big pile of stuff, you throw it in the dumpster.
Exactly, yeah.
You ship it to them, they grind it up, and they put it back into their tile.
I like that. Yeah, it sounds like right now it's big scale. Like if you're taking out, mall floors, big commercial buildings.
Think about how much waste that is.
Yeah, it's a ton of waste. So,
Yeah.
I mean, you know, it's definitely, you could ship a carload back. On the residential scale, it's probably going to be a while. They're talking about getting recycling centers set up at the distributorships. So I think that
So
it's-
tile setters can take your waste
yeah,
and dump it.
yeah.
It's
so,
cheaper than throwing
yeah,
it in the
like the
dumpster,
tile
right?
guy could fill up his truck with the waste, take it up there, drop it off, buy the new tile.
Exactly.
It's really good.
And then they turn it to their tile.
The
And
yeah.
Have you seen their recycled tile?
I
mean,
have
this
not.
stuff
It
is
looks
so cool.
Yeah.
Look, I mean, they've got good colors. You can make all sorts of fun
Yeah.
patterns with it. It's SCS certified. It's a minimum 40% recycled content. And you know what's even cooler about this?
Yeah.
It's all local materials. The raw, new virgin material is all from Tennessee.
Yeah, but that's local to me. It's not local to you.
Well, but it's local to the product too. It is. You're
Yeah,
right. In
yeah.
Minnesota, I'm.
Yeah.
But I'd still prefer to buy a product that doesn't have
Yeah.
all the embodied energy from
Yeah.
shipping all over.
No, no, I like it. I like tiles as opposed to natural stones in a lot of cases because they look great, they're cheaper,
Yeah.
and they're actually much more
And
sustainable.
that whole social justice piece,
Yeah.
which I'm so obsessive about, you know,
Yeah.
made here in the States.
Yeah.
It's a good process.
Absolutely. And they got some killer snacks here. You gotta look at these things.
No way.
These are great. This is the best candy they have in the whole place.
Good.
You know,
But, you know-
it's stale. I'm having trouble with it.
Oh,
Michael,
so good to see you.
it's been such a long time.
Oh,
so
what a long day.
What is this stuff?
Well, this is Vitrazo.
Yeah. So what? I mean, oh yeah. No, okay. now
It's made
I've
out
heard
of
about
this
it.
stuff. It's
It's-
recycled
yeah.
glass.
Now I heard it's like about 85% recycled. Is that right?
83.23% recycled content.
Wow. So what's the other 16+%?
Oh, there's a bunch of binders in there. Who knows?
Actually, you know, you're wrong.
I
It's
know.
Portland cement.
No way. Portland
Just
cement. That's
Portland
it.
cement and glass.
That
That's
sounds
it.
so simple.
It is. It's very simple.
And it sounds kind of healthy and
Yeah. But this is all. It's mostly post-consumer, little bit of post-industrial.
Not
I
bad.
guess they use Grey Goose vodka bottles.
Grey Goose vodka. This works perfectly
I
with
saw
my drink.
actually I saw something over there. They actually could see the Grey Goose label right in the glass.
Get out.
Yes.
How
Yeah.
cool is that?
So interesting.
And this is countertops. This is fireplace surrounds. We can use this in all types of
Yeah.
applications.
Well,
And
your new outdoor kitchen would look.
my new outdoor kitchen would look so good in this, wouldn't it?
It would look mighty fine.
I'm gonna. What are you gonna give this?
I give it an A.
I give it an A.
Yeah. It's not a traditional product, but it's very good. Cheers.
Cheers.